Part 3. Users of the financial statements. Examples of key users of the financial statements are as follows. The users of financial statements are often described as being stakeholders, anyone that has any kind of interest in how a company has run and what their financial statements say. Investors, owners, employees, worker unions, people protecting the rights of the employees, suppliers, customers, governments, lenders. There are lots. The information needs, well, each user, each stakeholder in an organisation's financial statements will have its own set of information needs, and it's really important that the organisation itself considers these differing needs. Some examples of these information needs are as follows. So if you're an investor, what are you most interested in? You're probably most interested in whether the company you're investing in is making a profit, so what's its profit and performance, and also information relating to solvency. How much cash has the company got that you're investing in? Are you going to get a return? The government would be most interested in whether or not it's going to receive the tax that it's owed, won't it? So the organisation sales and profits for tax purposes. Employees are most interested in what they're going to get in terms of salary and wages. So they want that kind of information, maybe profitability information as well, to see how much they think they can afford to ask for when they negotiate their remuneration packages. So different stakeholders have different information needs, and companies attempt to try and satisfy all of those needs by providing a range of information to actually satisfy the range of stakeholders.